Hi guys, here's how we fixed a device attached to the system is not functioning in an iPhone. Let's get started.
For more contents like this, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon.
First, let's try to transfer photos from an iPhone to PC. Let me connect my iPhone to this computer. So it's connected. Go to this PC, Apple iPhone, and here are the photos and videos I want to copy. Ctrl+A, copy, and paste it into the new folder. On halfway copying the files, it showed this error. A device attached to the system is not functioning. Now to fix this, let me quickly switch to my iPhone. Go to Settings, scroll down and tap on Photos. Scroll down and on Transfer to Mac or PC, choose to keep original files from Automatic. Now this will not check the file compatibility, and instead of the JPG images, HEIC images might be transferred. So it's done here. Let me try to connect the iPhone again to the PC. It's connected, so let me try to copy all the photos and videos again. Copy and paste it here. I will copy and replace all photos and videos. As you can see, we have easily copied all photos and videos. As mentioned earlier, image files might be in the HEIC format instead of JPG. In that case, you might need to convert the HEIC images to JPG. Please do check our other videos for this. Anyway, we hope this resolved your issues as well. Thank you very much.